everybody. Welcome to One Drink Podcast, where we talk about one topic for one drink. I'm Matthew.
I'm Oliver.
I'm Ryan.
And today, we're talking about door cameras.
Yes.
All the funny fails, bloopers, just everything that could go wrong. I think we got a clip for it.
Yep, for sure.
I have a door camera.
I do.
Yeah. I do as well.
Have you ever?
No.
Me either.
No.
Personally, no.
I'm going to save you the question because no. I have never had something cool happen on my cam, and I get the stupid bell chime notification every time a leaf blows by my fucking camera, dude, and it's like I'm like, ooh. Oh.
And now, dude, seriously,
my God, my dog.
Any normal person, it doesn't matter who you are, you want to one day when that tings.
Yeah.
You want to open it up and you just want
I just want to see the Amazon guy just eating it.
Something
falling.
just fantastic happen, or like, oh man.
Yep.
I've had one thing happen, which is really funny and cute. So when we first got the Ring camera, my 7-year-old son, he went out and mooned it. I was like, of course he's gonna do that. Like,
That's perfect.
Like,
That's awesome.
so yeah, I took a screenshot of the mooning.
Perfect. My
He's
kid
like a
was
little Bart Simpson. I was like, of course he's gonna fucking do that.
Something finally happened.
that would be so funny. Lonnie runs around naked outside all the time, so I get pictures of that sometimes. My camera will go off, and she's just jumping on her little trampoline out there, just butt ass naked.
No, he was literally like, hey Dad, look at the Ring camera. And then he runs outside, and I'm watching on my phone, and he goes, I was like, oh, that's my boy. That's my boy.
It's definitely your kid. If there was a question prior to that moment, it's no longer up for debate. Yeah.
So, check these clips out.
And then she got runners in the field. Said that's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to. I'm probably gonna cut this tree down. Oh my God. Are you okay?
No, do this.
You have to scrub hard. What the hell?
Slip on icy stairs.
check these clips out.
The series.
Let that, we let the liquor talk. Okay?
Oh my God.
So check these clips out.
Do you have an eye recognition?
Get it, please.
Run away, damn.
Oh my god, I just dropped the phone! Oh, I really did! Oh my god! Okay, so what do we do for dinner now? You call and order Reggie.
No.
You got a whole thing of sauce right there. What?
I gotta bring the regular sauce up.
I hid it like this. I didn't think this was gonna fall off.
Let's forget about going because by the time I clean this up, it'll be tomorrow.